What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this look by using this itty bitty curling wand. Let's get started. I'm going to section off my hair into 4 sections. Now I'm going to spray heat protectant on each of the 4 sections. Because the heat protectant is basically like water, I'm going to leave my hair twisted up like this for just like maybe 2 or 3 minutes, just so I can make sure the heat protectant is dry. Because I have a theory, if you spray heat protectant on your hair and then immediately take the curling wand or the curling iron or the flat iron and put it towards your hair, it's going to start steaming because the water molecules are mixing with the heat, which creates evaporation, right? So I want to let this dry a little bit before I actually start curling my hair. Okay, so it's been a few minutes and I think my hair is pretty dry enough. So I'm going to take the curling iron, have the handle part facing towards me, stick the end of my hair into the curling iron, kind of wrap this end around it a little bit, and then start to curl towards me. I'm going to hold it there for a few seconds, rotate the curling iron, release it a little bit, and let it calm down. I guess we could call that like a Shirley Temple curl. So I'm going to section off a little piece of my hair since my barrel is small. So a little piece like that. Just wrap that around my ear. I'm going to kind of finger comb it out a little bit. Take the curling iron, face the handle towards me, stick my hair in the iron, then I'm going to wrap the end of my hair and then start rotating the iron towards me. Hold it there for a few seconds, rotate the iron, and then kind of do a little fluttery motion like this and bring it down to release it. And then I've got a little curl. And I don't know if you could tell, but I didn't really see any steam coming from my hair. So I guess that's a good thing. My theory was correct. Just let the heat protectant dry before you start curling your hair. Rotate the curling iron, undo it, and then kind of open and close it as you bring it down. Oh, that looks nice. Rolling, 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 rolling. Now you can see they're all curled. I'm going to work on this side, then I'll come back and show you how to style it. So if you remember, for the right side of my hair, I had the handle facing towards me. Instead of having the handle facing in, you're going to want the handle facing out. The same technique applies. Put your hair towards the very end of the barrel, wrap it around, start to roll up. Hold it there for a few seconds, and then drag it down. The reason why you want to wrap the end of your hair around the barrel is so that your curl can have one consistent look. So if you notice how there's no straggly ends at the end of this curl, it's because the hair was wrapped around the barrel before I started rolling. My hair is curling in Ooh. Why? I thought I was doing this right. Oh, jeez. We're just gonna have one pretty swoop coming in the front, okay? Because that is really messed up. So now we're going to get ready to style the hair. Since this was my experimental side, I'm going to loosen the curl. We'll try it with my hands in the back. So I'm just kind of running my fingers. Oh, that's cute. Through the hair. There. So do one. Oh, it's like one big curl. Two. Ah, okay. And then do the hands. One, two, and then do the hands. Maybe. Okay. We'll try this side. One, two. So I did hear if you wanted more volume, I guess at the top of your head, you could use a hairspray. Now, I'm using this hairspray that my future nieces gave me for Christmas. Basically, what you want to do is bend your head over, spray the back of your hair, and then flip your hair back up. And I believe that creates more volume. And I'm only suggesting this because my barrel was a small barrel and my curls are smaller. So I would like to try this for you guys. Basically, you flip your hair over, and then I think you spray the back, and I think you spray underneath. I don't know, I'm just trying this out. You flip your hair this way. Volume. There you have it. Let's put this back together. So the funny thing about this spray is it actually is a volumizing hairspray. And basically, you shake the can well and you use it as a finishing product for your hair. So I think I'm just gonna play around with this, you know? Spray the top of my hair like this and the back. Ah, okay, there it is, y'all. That's what needed to happen. We just needed a little brush to get it through there, and I'm gonna If you're working on the right side of your head, you want to make sure the handle of the curling iron is facing away from you and then twirling the wand towards the right. When you're working on the left side of your head, make sure the handle of the wand is facing towards you and wrap the wand towards the left side of your head. Right turns to the right, left turns to the left. If you liked this video and want to see more hair tutorials, comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.